I say that this time around. So now for people who never registered,
All right. Good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
How are we doing?
I'm fine, sir. And you?
I'm doing great. How was our day?
I found my day was okay. How was yours?
Mine was excellent. That's good to hear. Where are others now? I don't know whether today's class.
What do you say?
I said, where are others? I don't know whether today's class.
Yeah, wait. Let me see if I can reach out to some of them.
All right, please do.
Don't
Please
look
do.
for them.
I don't know. I reached out to Ikem now. He said that he's trying to join the class. I think he's having that issue that was having, like telling you to wait for someone to join to add you to the group. But I reached out to others, Freeborn and Daniel. Yeah. No response from them yet. Can anyone hear me?
I can hear you, sir, but the echo is so much.
Yeah, sorry, I was connected to my laptop.
Mr. Obed, sir.
Hello.
I think we can begin now because at least we're up to 5 now.
All right. There's no issue. So, all right, Mr. Daniel, Mr. Ikem, Mr. Carlo, how are we?
Fine, sir.
Yeah, fine, sir.
How was our day?
It was fine, sir. Praise God.
How was our day? It was fine. Good. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. So did we go through did we have chance to go through the what's it called? Go through the project. Shit.
So is it to
Did you go through the Terraform this thing?
okay, yeah.
Okay, that's good. Because as you know the drill, we are doing two things at a time. Understanding and building our custom projects and also learning what we need to learn. Does that make sense?
So I didn't get you, sir.
I said, as you know, we are combining two things at the same time, which is learning and doing our project.
Yeah.
Are we together?
Yes, sir, we
Yes,
are
sir.
aware.
All right. So I plan on teaching today, which I am still going to do, but there was an update from the UI UX team, and I would love to quickly run through that update. But before I do that, did I at any point send any Figma link for you to make a request to?
No, sir. I don't think so.
Yes, no. Yes, sir.
Did I?
Yes, sir. I think
Yes, sir.
through email.
Okay,
Yes.
I did. Can someone please open that link and let's see something there? Let me explain let's see what they've done and what we are to do. Remember again, this project hinges 70% on us. So that's why I'm just going to take the first few hours of today to talk about the project and what they've done and what we are to do.
Is it the document you sent? Or
Hmm?
is it the document you sent?
No, there's a Figma file.
Okay, that Figma file, I saw one in through my mail, which I accepted the invite, then registered the Figma and other things. So that's all.
So can you try to open the Figma file and let's see?
So where did you send it to? Is it our mail or the group chat? Okay. Figma. Okay. Okay, I've not accepted it. That's why. Sorry.
All right. So I'm just going to share my screen and let me know when it's up, because the UI UX guys, they have done something and we need to over.
Your screen is up, sir.
All right. So this is the project. I don't know if you can see this.
Yeah, we're saying it, sir.
I didn't send you guys any link for you to make for you to make requests to, so that they give you access.
So the Figma now. I click the accept. I think it's still loading.
Is this all they've done? And these guys, they should do and build this thing. Okay, anyways, let me just quickly explain this. Now there's what we call in development, there's what we call Figma UK, it's what we call UI UX, web design, and then backend, front end, and all of that. Now UI UX, who are they? These are the guys that builds a prototype of how the app will look like before any coding takes place. Hello.
You can hear it, sir.
Okay, so these are the guys that builds. All right, cool. These are the guys that builds an app before any coding will take place. So what we are going to do now is so these are their colors. For some reasons, they are using these colors, but I thought maybe the green would have made more sense. But anyways, these are the colors they are using. So we are going to go with these colors. I hope you can see this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me just try and send us the link and let me know if you are able to open the link.
I can open it now.
Okay, yours can open.
Yes, sir.
Hello. All right, sweet,
Yes, sir.
sweet,
Mine
sweet,
can.
sweet. Because I am certain that I sent the link at some point. Anyways, these are the primary links. Now, why am I saying this? We've used our mock-up project to understand how to build simple website pages and push to the GitHub, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So we've used our
Can hear
mock-up
it, sir.
project to learn how to push to GitHub. So what I'm going to do today is just to show you how we are going to go about this. Now, these are the colors and human avatars. Okay, here they are. Are you seeing my screen, please?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay, now this is
Can see
the
us.
nav bar. All right, this is the nav bar. You have dashboard, upload, this. So this is what the nav bar looks like. Then this is the search and every other thing. So right here, once the vendor logs in, it's going to have this dashboard, and it's going to have a page here where you can upload products. I think one of us here built upload product page, right?
Yes. Show list of
Okay,
product based by vendors, by different vendors.
all right. So I hope you're understanding what this is. So they are still building, because I had to
Yeah.
like add pressure that they should please be fast. I'm waiting for them. So I think this is what they've done so far, which is not the speed they're going at is not what I like. Are they trying to do this thing by themselves from beginning to end? Well, anyways, this is what we have. Hello.
Hi.
this is what we have at the moment,
Yes, sir.
and we are going to build
Please
this.
zoom in.
We're going to
Sir,
what?
please zoom in.
All right. If I zoom in, I feel like it's going to go out completely. But tell me you can see it now, please. Hello, can you see it?
I'm not really seeing clearly though, but let's manage it.
I think I saw that on the Figma, the upload project. Yeah, we're seeing it, sir.
Okay. All right, sweet. Thank God you're seeing it. So now we're going to build. So I'm going to take you guys down to web design class now. So everybody get your seatbelts ready. If you recall, based on last week tags, we were asked to choose stacks that we're going to use, and I gave us the reasons why we're going to use the stacks that we choose. Am I correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So if you
I hear you,
remember,
sir.
okay, so I was saying something that based on last week tags, we were asked to choose a particular, what's it called? We were asked to choose a particular stack. I don't know if you guys remember that. We had to choose a stack, and we chose Next.js, NEX reasons why we're choosing Next.js. I want to make sure that we recall what I'm saying. Mr. Dana, Mr. Ikem, Mr. Jonathan, Mr. Freeman, do we all remember? Does this sound familiar? Am I coming through?
Are you talking
Yes, sir.
about?
You are.
Just recap a bit, sir.
If I am, then okay.
Mrs. Julia is saying that she can't see your screen clearly.
Okay, Madam Jigo, what parts can't you see clearly?
Ooh.
Did Jigo just talk?
No, I don't think it's that.
Ha 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 ha! I got scared for a moment, though. All right. So Jigo, just let me know if you can see it now, right? Okay, so I'm going to go back to this. Now, this is the Trello board for DevOps. This is what we have. Now, now we have all of this for this week, domain and hosting. But this one, it will come in now, but we're going to look at it. We're going to do this today. We're going to do this today. Now, I'm going to assign a task. How am I going to group this now? So okay, group A. I think we have a group already. Group A, I want you guys to look at Instagram Graph API. Look at what it is. Group B, look at WhatsApp Business API. So by tomorrow, I'm expecting a document report on what two of them are. Relating to the project, if you recall the need for this. Hello?
So we can
Or
hear
with
you,
you,
sir.
sir. Or with you.
So we can hear you clearly.
Okay. So group A, you handle the Instagram Graph API. Group B, you handle the WhatsApp Business API. Now, what you have to do is you have to just write a Word document file of not less than 300 words explaining how you would use this Instagram API and WhatsApp API as relating to the project requirement. If that makes sense, or should I go over it again?
Yeah, your
Probably
this
not
thing is
responding.
breaking.
Or you're not hearing me. Let's communicate, please.
Your this thing was breaking. Hello, sir.
Okay. What about now?
Sir,
Yeah,
I'm
it's
with
sir,
clear
you.
I
now.
Is
think
it
I
breaking
think
now?
you should just sir, I think you should just write this in the chat so we just get the whole thing. And the one you say is group A and B, I don't know.
So yeah, I think you
Because
should just
the
type
last
it for us.
group you
It will be
did
easy
is
for us
just
to
two
get access
persons.
to it.
Okay,
Yeah.
let me write it. Are you saying I should write on the chat?
Yes, on our group chat,
Yes,
so
sir.
it will be easy for us.
Okay, I'm going to do that now. Okay, are we all seeing my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So group B will write the same thing, but now group B will write for WhatsApp. But group B will write for WhatsApp. So I think this makes sense now, right?
Yeah, it's better off now.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So please, if at any point my voice starts cracking, let me know because I really want us to do something today. Now, can someone recall the stack we chose the last time that we're going to use for this project? I think it was Freeborn that shared his screen that day. Can someone recall the stack?
Is it all those MongoDB and all those stuff?
Yeah. So MongoDB was the database. Now the stack we agreed to use is what we call
I think I was
Next.js.
the one that shared my screen that day.
Okay, yeah, it's maybe is that
And it was me. Why Freeborn did for what is it called? For branching, yeah.
branching? Okay, that's true. Okay, no issues. Thank you for the correction. So now um I'm going to start. Now you have to look at what I'm doing and know that I'm going to be doing this based off one experience, but I'm going to try to teach you how to use your AI to do this. Now, I know that you all have been using HTML and CSS for the project we have been doing previously. But what I want to say now is, yes, HTML and CSS is good, but for this particular project, we're going to use a framework called Next.js. I'm going to use a framework called Next.js. Am I together?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to use a framework called Next.js, and let me show you that. Now I'm going to do this and then push to GitHub just to give us an overview. Now, this is Curate, and in Curate, I have a folder. I have not yet created a folder. I think I was saying I will do this today. Now, I'm going to go to my, what's it called? My VS Code. I have already opened the folder, the Curate folder. Now, I think I already started, but I stopped. I want to start a next project. This is how I'm going to do it. I don't have to, for you guys to do this. Okay, class, for you guys to do this, you have to first of all install Node.js. So go to Node.js download. I'll send this link. So I'm going to send this link now to the group, to the WhatsApp, sorry, to the chat. Install Node.js using this link. Now, you have to install Node.js for you to be able to run the application I want to run. Am I communicating? So once you do that, install Node.js. It's nothing difficult. Where is that? Where is that? Okay, just do Node.js download. But I know it's still on that link. Node.js download. No, download Node.js. I think this link is. So you choose the one you're using. Are you using Windows or whatever operating system you're using? You download that. So I'll just add this one there. So that's the correct link. So download Node.js. I don't understand. This guy not copying my words. All right. So this is the link. This is the link you're going to download the app from. Now, once you download the app, go to your PowerShell or command line and type in node space dash v. Now, what this node space dash v will do is it is going to check if the Node.js has been installed successfully. Now, if I do this, you're going to see the version of the node. If you don't have the application, you're going to have node not recognized, something like that. So this is after you've installed it. And at times, when you install it and it doesn't show you this, just do well to restart your system. I hope I'm together. Madam Jigo, Mr. Ikem, Mr. Carlo, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Dekele, Mr. Jonathan,
Yes, sir. You are
Mr.
together.
Godwin.
Yes,
We are
sir.
together, right? All right, good, sweet. All right, so now I am going to, what was it called? Continue. So after you've done that, ensure that the application is installed successfully. Now, once you're done with that, go to your VS Code and open it. Now, this is how you are going to, who is now muted? Please mute. This is how you're going to run the project. Now, you will not have to do this because I have done it already. So npx create next app. You won't have to do this. I have done it already. So MPS create next app. I'm trying to spin up the application. That is what I am trying to do. All these things I'm doing, you won't have to go through them. The only reason is I just want us to see how it is done. So what is your app name? I'll call this ThriveAbia project. All right, now I'm going to say reuse previous settings. Now you don't have to get a hang of what that is going here. What you just need to know is that I am, what is it called? I am running the framework. That's what I'm doing. I'm building the template of the project, right? So that's what I'm doing. So I'm building that now. Okay, that's still running. So that might take some time. But before I go into that, I want to just converse with us. Any question? Do we understand the tags I gave earlier for different groups?
I don't really understand that group A and B. Is it those in Umaya branch and the Abab branch or something?
Okay, so while this my app installs, because it will take a lot of time. This guy, it takes quite a time. But while it installs, let's talk about that. Now, who wants to take over? Who wants to share? So if you want to share, you need to have the project, that document that explains the project and all that is needed open. That's the first thing you need to do. And second, you need to have your AI. So who wants to share? Mr. Godwin, Mr. Freeborn, Mr. Daniel, Mr. Carlo, Mr. Chuka, do you want to share?
So, what did you say? Sorry.
I'm trying to fill up time because this stuff I'm running here is going to take quite a while. So instead of us watching it load, I would like us to fill it in with other activities like this assignment. We can quickly do it now. So what I asked is who wants to share? I don't want to start pointing anyone or assigning anyone. Who wants to share? Just volunteer. But before you share, you need to have the documents of that project. The document that explains all that is needed for that project and all it entails. One. Two, you need to have your AI ready, either your ChatGPT, your Claude, or any of your AI tool at all. Do you get that now, sir?
Yeah, I have the AI, but the document is what I don't have. I need to like try and download the.
The link is on the group, right? I think I pasted the link. But anyways, who has it? Does anyone have it? So who wants to, no one wants to present or I should appoint. Mr. Godwin, do you want to go again? Mr. Godwin?
So where exactly is the link?
Which link is that? The document link.
Yes, sir.
All right, let me find this. Um, so Daniel, do you want to help us the link?
Okay, I should drop the link.
Yes, please. All right, Mr. Dan, Mr. Dan, thank you so much. Mr. Dan has sent the link. So, Mr. Carlo, Mr. Godwin, you have the link now. Can we start sharing our screen?
Okay, sir. Can I share?
Yeah, definitely you can share, sir.
Okay.
All right, so Mr. You can the question, which group do you belong to, group A or group B?
That should be group A. I'm based in Aba.
All right, so your group A, Graph API. So ask your AI what Graph API, Instagram Graph API is. Just look at the question and let's go over that. Again, you have to understand the context of the project. So open the document and understand that project. And let's go through that. Mr. Carlo, I'm not seeing your screen is just it's showing one thing. Are you sure you're sharing your whole screen or you're sharing one window? Because I'm just seeing um, our core background.
Wow. Sir, you can't see my screen, sir.
I can see, but I'm not. You're not doing anything. Are you doing anything?
Yes. Oh, I don't know whether it's my network. I'm trying to.
Okay. Yeah, you're Gemini now. I'm seeing it now. Class, is it just me or is Mr. Carlo's screen handled? I want to confirm if it's just me.
I'm not seeing anything. It's only just on the Gemini.
I can see his screen, but he's not moving. He's hanging.
Sir, it will be my network. I usually use my Wi-Fi, but I tried recharging it. It's not. It's I don't know whether it's from Airtel. So I'm using MTN, and MTN is not good here. I don't know. It will be my network.
All right, there's no issue. Let me share the stuff I was loading. You guys can do the tags after the class hours, and then let me just share my own screen because what I'm waiting for has loaded. Okay, so after the whole process of MPS create next app, this guy came about. Now, how do we see the content of a folder class?
LS.
LS,
LS.
okay. Now I want to move into what is that folder? ThriveAbia. Now I want to move into ThriveAbia. How do I go about it?
CD.
All right.
CD.
Now I will go. Now I want to open this folder on the DS code. I'll do code space dot. I'll do code space dot. Now I have this project. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now I have that project. What I want to do now is this. I want to show us how we can be able to view the project. Now, let me say this. Like I have said before, it's not going to be the same way you do your normal HTML and CSS. But I'm just going to, oh, my screen stopped showing. Are you guys seeing my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now, please. Now, I want you guys to pay attention because I think I'm going to do it with us via Git. But I want you to know this. Whenever you clone or you pull from GitHub, I want you to open your terminal. For this project, whenever you clone or you pull, the first command I want you guys to run is this command, npm install. Right? I want you guys to run this command on your terminal. Remember, how to bring out this stuff is you go to terminal, new terminal, right? And I prefer to use git bash. So terminal. Now I'm going to come here and say npm install, right? So that's the first thing I want you guys to know in this project. You need to, whenever you pull, the first command I want you guys to run is what? npm install, and I'll explain why. Hello.
Sorry, we see.
All
So
right.
can
So
you?
the reason, okay, good. The reason for that is, you need to install what we call dependencies, but that is by the side. I'm still going to carry out the practicals with us. Now, let me explain. This right here is our, by default, when you use Next.js, you have default folders and files. Now, this public contains images, pictures. This is where you're going to store all your images and pictures. Now, in this source, this is where the source then this is the app. Now, I'm going to create component, a folder called component, and I'll explain why. Now, this component is going to be bits or component of the web page. For example, looking at the site that we are building, which is the Figma file of the UI UX, you will agree with me that they have built what we call a navbar here. There's a sidebar and there's this navbar also. Are we together? Hello?
Yes, sir. Nice, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
You are coming to.
I'm coming through. Okay, good. Now, I'm going to try and build this, but I'm going to try and build it with my AI. So which AI do you suggest I use?
Use Claude, sir.
Claude. Surprisingly, I don't even have a Claude account, but I will just use the one I use that you can, on your own, and you can use Claude. But what I want you to take note of is the prompt I'm going to give to my AI. Now, pay attention, everyone. I'm going to do, I don't know if you can make screenshots on your laptop. Can everybody here screenshot on their laptop? If you can't, please notify. So I will show you how to take screenshots.
Yes, you can.
Yeah,
I
yes,
can.
you can.
We
Okay.
can't, sir.
All right, sweet. So I'm going to take it that everybody can. Madam Jigo, can you, ma? You can just drop a message in your normal place. Okay, no message from her. So I'm just going to continue. Now, I've created components. Okay, not there. I was on this guy. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a screenshot of this screen, right? I'm going to take a screenshot of this screen, and I'll move to my AI, and I will explain something for it. Now, I want you guys to pay attention. I think Claude can do this. I can create a project. Hello. Now, all of these are normal, my previous prompt. Now, I want to create a project. In this project, I'll call it ThriveAbia project. If you're using Claude, I'm sure you can do this. ThriveAbia project. Now, why am I doing this? I'm doing this so that anything concerning ThriveAbia, I'm going to make the prompt here. That's the idea. That's the reason behind me doing this. So in ThriveAbia project, I will start making my prompts. So right here, I'm going to send that screenshot and I am going to give it an overview. Now look at this. I am creating or I am building a project using Next.js. Please, this prompt is very important. You have to tell it the stack you are using. Using Next project, this screenshot is one of the UI UX screens. I want you to generate the code for this screen. Now, you might know what the screen entails, but you can leave it like this. But because I know what the screen entails, I'm just going to say for the nav bar and the sidebar. But if you don't know what the name of those stuffs are, you can ignore this part. You can ignore this part. Now, this other part is very important. Build these components, very important, please, and make it mobile responsive. I think we've already explained what this thing is, mobile responsiveness. Is there anyone here that does not understand what mobile responsiveness is? Well, let me just go ahead and say it. Mobile responsiveness is when your website shows normally on your laptop and all of this content shows on your mobile. That's what mobile responsiveness is in a layman term. So I'm going to look at the prompt again. If possible, I know I'm not going to send us this prompt to use word for word because I believe strongly that most of us here can use AI better than me, like facts. I have seen you guys work and I promise you that what you guys are doing with AI. Although it's just because maybe I might say, um, let me give you guys a few hours. I'll give you a few hours. What most of you here do with AI is wonderful. So I'm not going to tell you to use my own for verbatim, but this is the plot I want you guys to take from my own. You must modify the stack you are using, which is Next.js, and you must tell it to make yours mobile responsive. So that's what I want you to pick from this. And for context, I would prefer you create your own project. You create your own project, and before you start coding, explain to it what that I think Mr. Dadekule did that the last class where he uploaded that file to his AI. So if possible, upload these documents, the ThriveAbia document to your AI and tell it that you want to start building this. Then start prompting so that it's going to use that document basis to generate the screens for you. Now, one more thing. This partner is important because I want to make this project easy. I am using JavaScript, not TypeScript. Please, this part is very important. I want to keep this project very easy for us. So it's going to do all of that and then run it for us. Now it's going to tell me to run this if not already, but this part has been done. You don't have to do this part. Likewise, this part, let me show it to you. Now look at this. Where did it tell me to go? Add this to where?
Global.
CS.
Uh,
Global.css.
CSS.
CSS. Okay, good. Again, okay, one more thing that I missed was I didn't tell it to explain to me step by step, but you can add that on your own, please. Now, reason why I will not do this again is because if I go to my global CSS, as I am going to go now, do I have a file called global CSS?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
and that stuff they said I should add. Okay, good. That stuff they said I should add. Now, although I don't have that stuff, but look at mine. What do I have here? Import what?
Sir.
Tailwind CSS bar.
Yes. Tailwind
All
CSS.
right, so the CSS. Now I already have this part, so I'm not going to go ahead and run it. Now look at it. Look at sidebar what component. Please everyone pay attention. Where should I create sidebar.js? In what folder?
In components. In
In
components.
components, okay? In components. And have I created a folder called components?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, sweet. Now I'll go to components. Whatever you're doing, whatever any of us we do, please create it in components. Now in components, I'll create a file called sidebar.js. Anyway, sidebar.js, but I prefer JSX. You can use JSX, please. Although they will tell you JS, but you can use JSX. I don't have to start explaining too much, but now I'll just copy the code. I'll copy the code. I think I can see how the code will look like, what Claude does. So let me quickly see how this code will look like. Are you seeing how it looks like? Hello?
Yes, sir. We are saying it, sir.
So this is the result of the page. Okay, I think that works for me. If I do full screen, for some reasons, it is not showing complete, but okay. I'm going to still try and change it. Now, I'm going to copy, what's happening? Okay, cool. Let me switch the code. I will copy all of this code. In sidebar.js, I'm going to paste it. Now, if you look at this, it might look confusing, which is very, very understandable. But yeah, just try, pay attention. All right, so after that, after component.js, I need to create what? Navbar component. So in my component, I'm going to create what?
Now, never
Navbar.
Jesus.
All right, and remember I told you that you can use what? JSX, right?
Yes,
You can
yes.
use JS, it will work. Oh, JS will work, please note. JS will work, but I just prefer to use JSX. Okay, so after that, after the two, we are now going to create uh, mm, I'm trying to now look at this. Please use this part. Or one more thing. When prompting, please, one more thing I missed is when prompting, use JavaScript, not TypeScript, and use app router, please. Hello? Use what?
App router.
App router.
Router.
I think I'll just send us this stuff. Now understand that I am clearly doing something that you've not done before. You have no Madam Jigo, I feel you. You might have no idea about what this is, but just try. Give it a push. So right now I'm going to say use app router because I missed out on something. Now the reason why I say I missed start on something is this. This is pages router, and this is the old way of writing Next.js. There's a new way called app router, as you will see. Anyways, let me just go about it. Let me not explain too much. So I'm going to make a new request, and I'm telling you to use what? App router. This guy is too... Okay. Now, how will I say this? Now, I know better. So I'm going to try and not do this that way steadily because now this is one thing I always say, right? AI is good. AI is what?
It's good.
It's good. But one thing I believe is if you know what you're using it to do, you just do it better. Now, I have seen something that is not really okay, or let me say, I know a better way to go about it. Because I know it, I'm not going to go about this. Now, in your situation, just try your best to do what you can do. Just do what you can do. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
All right, so I'm just going to stop there and try to make this make sense. Now, remember I said whatever you do, you're going to do it in components. But now we have to make our work to show. We have to do what? Make our work to what? To show, right? On the browser. Now, this time around, you can't go live. You can't what? Go live. That's because Next.js runs on a server. That server you installed, that Node.js server, that's the server, or that is a runtime server that Node.js runs on. So what we want to do is we want to view our work on the browser. So for you to do that, npm run dev. Someone please can take all of this and paste on our group like we did the last time. So run, let me just give all the steps. Rules to abide. Number one, whenever you pull a project, now note, you don't have to add this quote when running your own. I just added it to lay emphasis. Now, number two, to see your work show, to see your results on the browser, run npm run dev. Okay? Hello.
Can see it, sir.
All right. So now, once I run npm run dev, it's going to give me this. It's going to tell me that my work is ready. So what I'll just do is localhost 3001. Yours will be 3000. I'll just hover on this and then follow link. Click on follow link. It's going to open that work for you on your browser. Now this is my results. Now this is my results, right? So this is the default page. Let me show you that page. This is it here. This page.js. Everything here is what is showing here. As you can see, what do we have here?
To get started, edit the page GS, right?
Then what do we have here?
Looking for a starting point or more instruction, head over to.
All right. Have you seen it?
Yes.
So whatever we have here is what we have down here. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete everything here. You can delete it yourself too. So I'm going to delete everything. I'll be the one to do this, so you don't have to worry about this other part. Now I'm going to create the nav bar, which I think I might have done. I have. Then I'll head over to my layout. Okay, it's added some styling. This guy didn't use styling again. All right, so I'll copy the nav bar and something is come here. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. I'm coming, guys. I'm just trying to get a view of what's happening here. Okay, please, one more thing. Very important stuff I did not add. I'm going to tell you to convert to Tailwind. Please, very important. I know I've kind of made it to be confusing, but I'll try and go over it again. Convert to Tailwind, CSS. Apologies, guys. So you don't have to run this Tailwind installation because you have Tailwind already. So what you just need to do is to copy the code. So I'm going to just copy this. Um, all right, fine. I'm just going to use this method. So I'll copy this. Now to create layout wrapper and components, so I'll go to components and I'm going to create layout wrapper. Now notice how all the names are in capital letter, right? Layout wrapper, I'll paste this. Now notice how all the file names in components start with capital letter. Please note that. After the layout wrapper, next thing is sidebar, which I have already, so I'll leave mine the way it is. After sidebar, next thing is the navbar, which I have already. Now look at this. What file name is this?
App layout.
App layout. Now in your app folder, you will see a file called what? Layout. So I'm going to paste everything here. You see a file called layout. So I'm going to paste everything there. So I'll paste everything. Then after that, hello, go to your where?
Layouts. Okay, page.
Okay, I'm done with layout. Then go to your where?
Page.
Page.js. Copy that, and I'll go to my page.js, which is this guy, and I'll paste this. Now I'm done, right? So what I'm going to do next is go to my browser, and I have this. Now I have an error here that says can't resolve what? React icons. Now I know what this error is, but for you, what you just do is you copy the error, go back to your AI and say, now AI might skip some things, but it's important you do this. I have done everything, but I had this error. Provide solution to fix this. Hello. So to provide solution, the solution will be to what? Install the package. So what you do is copy the solution, npm install React icons. Please, whenever you have this npm or yarn or pnp, use npm because you have node. The one you have is the node package manager. So after that, I'm going to go to my terminal. Now, if you remember, let me just clear this so that you understand something. I'm going to delete this guy, so I'll have just two. Now, if you remember, I've killed everything. My bad. So I'm just going to paste. I have what here? npm install React icons. I will press enter. Now, after that, once this is done installing, I'm going to preview my work on the browser. And from the rules we have, how do we preview the work on the browser?
Since, since the node acts as the as like a live server for it. So just go
Yes,
to just go to I think the follow link in this thing.
and it is okay, good, good. The follow link, but I mistakenly deleted that terminal. So how do I bring up that follow link again?
Um,
Look at my screen.
okay, to see the result on the browser. Is it to run npm dev?
Yes, yes. All right, so I'm going to go there and run npm run dev. But anyways, nice attempt. npm run dev. Now, as you can see, hover on this, hover on it, follow link. So as you can see, I have notice that he didn't give me the stuff in a good way at all. Hello,
Yeah, yes, sir.
I see the way it
Yeah,
is.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Wahala, 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 be like bicycle.
You're going to run the
So how
code,
will
right?
somebody there's something wrong with the code that GPT gives to me. So how will someone now who doesn't know all of this now start working with this? I'm just trying to find a way that will make it easy for us to just use our AI and then paste the code on time. Because now this stuff now is a problem. I'm having two nav bars. So say for example now, how would you go about it? So let me ask, how would any of us go about this if we see something like that?
Is to ask AI the problem that you just tell the AI the problem
Exactly.
and what you
A
how to fix it.
problem.
or you can go to the
Like
code settings and change.
that is it.
What what if you go to the code AI generated and see there's double of
What if you go
code?
through the
What if you go to the code the AI generated and see there's like double of the code, like for it to appear like that 2 times?
okay? Yeah, that was who was Mr. Ikem, was that you?
It's true, Kaka.
Mr. Chuka. Okay, fine. That's correct. But now I'm trying to reason it this way. What if I don't have understanding of programming? So how would I even go through this code to understand what's happening? Do you feel me?
So I'll ask the AI
Okay.
that I'm having to sidebar like how do I fix it as a novice or as a noob?
All right, that's good too. That's good. Well, the way I will fix this is this. I'm going to let me just fix this. Now, whatever way you go about fixing yours, please do well to just go about it fixing yours. Let me just use my own knowledge and go about it. All right. So I'm just going to correct that. So like I said, I believe you will prompt better. So do how to prompt better and get better results. Okay. All right, so I need to do this. So like I said, I'm going to just do some stuff. Okay, again, you can always please, if I thought you have any issue on your own, call my attention. All right, I'm still having the nav bar generating twice. Well, I've gotten something. The nav bar is still generating twice, so the issue now is from this nav bar. So let me just quickly look at it and let me see. I'm just trying to find out what could be the cause. Profit and verification. Then we have settings. Um, okay, so this is one of those things. I have to start finding bugs. Okay, on mobile it's okay on mobile. Very, very okay on mobile. Yeah. The issue is now on desktop. It's acting funny. Okay, this issue is sidebar, not navbar, please. I think I was on the wrong place. This is no. This sidebar or navbar. I think I copied my mistake. I think I copied the same code. So this is layout. This is navbar. I didn't copy this guy. My bad. My bad. It's my problem. I'm the one that made the mistake. I copied sidebar in navbar. So if I should come back here now, should have a okay. This is it. Oh, boy. This is what it looks like. All right. I think I have found my mistake. Now move here and oh. Ah. Just be with me, guys. I am coming. I know I've confused us like this, tributes. I just know that I have finished just with what I'm doing. All right. So, people of God, this is it. I'm getting it one step by step. Just be with me, please. Be with me. I know it can be a lot because it's not more like I'm using my knowledge already. All right, so I have achieved this. Then time for this guy. All right. Okay, so I think I've been able to just do small thing here. Though the small thing I did not fully work. So yes, we now have something like this. I think I'll take questions now because I feel like I'm just the only one here at the moment. But I understand fully. Fully, I get it. But what I'm trying to just show you here is, but I believe it's your AI, you get this. Hello. Hello.
with you, sir.
Yeah, we see, sir.
Are you sure you are with me? Are you sure?
So you have received, but you said we shouldn't follow your process. We should use AI. So let's just
Okay,
be.
okay. Okay, that's better. All right, I'm just trying to find a way to
I'm
size
not
this
thinking
guy.
how you already know where, like, the exact place to go and the exact place to remove and add. I'm really na magic you.
Okay, okay, so this is how it's going to be, yeah? Okay, I think I'll just stop here. Maybe on my own end, let me not confuse us anymore. On my own end, I'll just correct this. Now I want to push to GitHub. So everybody please pay attention. So one or two persons should get ready to preview their work because I'm going to push and you will pull. And once you pull, I'm going to go over this again. Now remember, I created an organization that day and I added all of us as contributors to this um, and I what's it called? Now what do we have here?
Create a brand protection rule.
So I'm going to create a branch protection rule. Now this is it. Propose and collaborate on changes. So before anybody should we merge anything here, we're going to have some kind of rules. So you will not just go ahead to, it's doing this on a demo repo. Okay, I think this is our repo. So I'm going to click on that repo. This is our repo. And I'm going to copy this. Now, let me push to GitHub. Remember, if it's your first time pushing, you're going to write more commands. Now, if you look at this, if I type anything here now, it will not show. That's because this server is busy, or this terminal is busy running my server. What do? I will simply come and open another terminal. Now, remember, before you yourself you push, you need to branch out. Now, the reason why I am not branching out at the moment is because I want to push the first push to main. So remember the whole steps, I mean, git init, right? After git init, git add. After git add, git commit. I'm being a future, I will say navbar and sidebar UI. Does anybody understand what UI means? User interface, that's what it means. So UI. After that, I need to branch to the main branch. I'll say git branch, remember, main. Now it has changed from master to what? Main. Then after git main, recall, you don't have to have all of this in your head. You can always come here and copy. Next would be to add origin. Which repository on my GitHub do I want to push to? I will come and I'll paste. For some reasons, so I'll say git remote add origin. I'll paste, enter. After that, git push upstream origin main. Git push upstream origin main. Now this is going to try and push all of this code to GitHub. Now this code has been pushed to GitHub. So what that means is you all can get the code now. So I want to use one person here as what's it called? As so who's going to present? Zakalo, is your network now okay, or should someone else go on? Sir Godwin?
Yeah.
Wait, who has not presented here before? I want someone else who has not presented. Madam Jigo, what say you? Jigo will just pray so the ground will open. Sir Jonathan, are you disposed to share your screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mr. Ikem, are you disposed?
No, sir.
Mr. Freeborn, are you disposed? All right, Mr. Godwin.
Yeah.
All right, please do it to share, sir. So I want you to, what was it called? I want you to clone my repository. So I'm going to copy this and send to you. So clone it. You don't have to go to WhatsApp. It's on the chat.
Can you also see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen, sir.
Should I click on the link or just copy it to GitHub? Hello, sir.
No, you copy it, go to your VS Code and clone. So you're going to run git clone, then that repo. You're going to, this is the command you will run.
So is it on VS Code, the Git clone?
No, open a folder and then do git clone there.
Which folder, sir?
Do you have a
Should I?
folder for this class? Curate folder.
This curious course.
Okay, yeah, you can open that. Select that folder.
What else, sir?
All right, open your terminal.
Should I do the git clone?
Yeah, git clone the repo link.
This is, sir.
Okay, it's cloning.
Well, they said not found.
Can you run it again?
Sorry?
Can you run the command again? Git clone. Don't copy and paste. Type it. Then copy only the link. All right. So everyone, this is how you're going to get still the same thing.
Still the same thing.
Okay. Is anyone else that is disposed to try now, please? Let me just check something. Let me know what the issue might be. Because it actually attempts to clone, then it just stops cloning.
So let me try now.
Okay, please do. Oh, Mr. Who's sharing now? Mr. Godwin, I'll come back to you to solve that issue, please.
Okay, let me stop sharing.
Is my screen showing, Sean?
Yes, sir, it is.
Sure.
Okay. So can I use PowerShell to create it, to create the
Yeah,
folder?
if you choose to. If you choose to, sir.
Okay. What can I name the listen?
ThriveAbia project. Mr. Godwin, why didn't it worked here? Why didn't it work? Or maybe try another terminal, Mr. Godwin.
Okay, my system
Okay,
is 5.
it's low.
System is
All right.
7%. I want to connect with
Okay,
my now. Maybe you
okay,
should
no
just.
issues. All right, Mr. Dan Ellis.
Or maybe I don't have that ThriveAbia project, something that he did. Oh, it doesn't matter.
So this say LS.
Ellis, you have to seed into that folder that was created now. So you have to seed into that folder that was cloned.
So what next?
Um, Now code space dot cd into the folder, like cd, then press ThriveAbia, cd space ThriveAbia, capital TH, press tab key to autocomplete. You can press your tab key to autocomplete it.
So
Press your tab key to autocomplete. You don't have to type it yourself. Yes, exactly. Then once you're there, do code space dot. Type in code space dot.
it's up, sir.
All right. Now remember what I said. Whenever you clone, the first command you run is npm install. But the thing now is yours will not work because you have not installed the Node.js. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once you have that Node.js installed, you clone this. Then I also want to confirm again that every one of us, this Figma file, we have added ourselves to it. If you have issues with that Figma file, not accessing it, let me know, please. Now, let me say this, or let me just put a disclaimer. I understand perfectly if today's class was too much, which I know it was because everything we did here was new concepts. I didn't even explain anything. I understand. Now, what I want to show you is this. Say, for example, now, Mr. Adekule, you're to build the sign up page, right? Are you with me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Now, what you will do is, say I assign you that task. Go to your source, SRC. Go to your source, SRC. Are you doing that? Because I'm not seeing, okay. Open your source. Now, see components. Open component. Now, what you will do is, in component, you will create your signup.jsx. That's where you will create your file. All of us, are we together? Are we hearing? So
Yes, sir.
whatever task you're given, you will do it inside components. And now, not
Okay.
actually everything, but say like 70%. You all do it inside components anyways.
So create a file inside the component.
Yes, a
Okay.
file, exactly.
Sir, come again. Sorry, your line was breaking.
Okay, I said if you're tasked to perform any to build any particular page,
you will create it inside components.
Okay. So, sir, am I to create anyone?
Yeah, you can just create, say sign up.jsx. Just create a file, exactly. File, capital S, sign up.jsx. Exactly. How do you go? .jsx, exactly. So that is how, yes. Then whatever code your AI gives to you, you then put it here. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
And remember,
Yes, sir.
if you want to push, don't push to the main branch. Branch out. Call your branch, sign up branch, something like that. You know how we did it last time. Branch out
Yes,
and
sir.
then push. Please, no one should push to the main branch. I am begging you, please. Try, remember. Okay, I don't want to go on about this, thereby causing more dilemma instead of clarity. So I'm just going to put a pause on it for today. On Friday, hopefully the UI/UX guys have built what they've built. If they have not, we have the color codes they are using. We are going to do this ourselves because, like I said, there's no excuse of like, oh, the UI/UX guys didn't build it on time, this, that, that. No, we are taking every responsibility for this project. Now, like I said, it's going to be exciting, which it is, and it's going to stretch us. Like we are going to be stretched because we're going to learn a lot in a short period. And if you noticed, I did not later go through the topic I had in mind for today. But it's no waste because we understanding this is of utmost importance. I just want to hope that the confusion that you have now is going to be cleared, say weekend. Again, if you have questions, please do well to reach out. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir. So the projects you gave us, are we to still go about it since maybe most of us didn't, actually get it, or should we just try?
Which project is that?
The one you divided us into A and B, that we should try to
Yeah,
research
yeah,
on
yeah. No, please
WhatsApp and
do it.
Instagram.
Everybody should do it here.
When is the deadline for the submission? Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow or before, or by let's say Friday. Friday.
Friday. All right.
Why is the timing showing? Mr. Godwin, what is the timing showing on your own?
Is
Because mine
it
is showing 1:54. The recording time. What's it showing on your own?
I just connected to my phone now, but from you came, so I'm seeing 1 hour 12 minutes.
Mine is showing 1:54. Mr. Carlo, what's your own showing?
Is it like 1 hour 54 minutes?
Yes,
Yeah,
that's
it's
what mine is
correct.
showing.
Yeah, because we started the class, I think 1:08. When I logged in, you were already there.
Okay, so this one is showing 1:13, joined later. Is that what it means?
Yes, you joined late, something like that.
Okay.
Yours is
Mine is
correct.
showing almost 1 hour 15 minutes.
1 hour, how many?
No, this one that
Jonathan was
is one. This one that is 113 is when I joined with my laptop.
yeah. Because
Oh,
when I
Because
was
on
sitting on
my
my laptop, it was almost 1 hour 40 something minutes. I think
okay.
Albert, your own is actually correct because you joined before all of us.
Okay. Because I wanted to like what's happening. Is it that Mr. Dennis in the past or I mean the future? But anyways, I wanted to confirm that, please. I Because I just say I did Nigeria, all of us were in Nigeria, so what's happening? All right, it's cool. Well, like I said, I'll be expecting most of us messages, and I'll be very much available and excited to answer us because we did a lot today. Okay, that's pretty much it. And once
Sir,
again, as
sir,
always,
can I ask
okay,
the since I tried to clone with Git Bash and it didn't work, maybe can I try with the way he tried with PowerShell and see maybe
yes,
when I try with,
please,
when I tried my system.
yes, please do.
Okay, thank you.
No more. Mr. Your voice is muffled. I can't really hear you.
Hello?
Yeah, like I said, your voice was muffled. I did not really get what you said.
Okay. I was asking what we did now, is this still practice for the main project that will be taking place? Or the projects have started?
The project has started completely.
Okay. So
Sir, for the
like
sorry, don't worry, go on, go on.
okay, so I'm just like confused. Are we gonna work with the UI UX team, or we're gonna build our own ourselves, or the UI UX people will design it and push it down, like, or we're just gonna do our own ourselves? I'm kind of
No, we're going to be building based on what the UI UX builds.
okay, sir. Okay.
Sorry, I wanted to
Okay.
ask about the Figma. Like, I think when I tried to open my own, it wasn't trying to open. I don't know, maybe should I try it back or is there a way to sort it out?
Mm,
It opened, but
the
it
reason why
didn't
it didn't
open.
open, the reason why it didn't open is something that I don't know, but I'll try again. Just try again and if it doesn't make me please.
All right, sir, no problem.
Okay, everyone. As always, I appreciate attendance. I appreciate our attentiveness. Yeah, thank you. And please remember to always ask questions whenever it's not that clear. All right, thank us once again, and I'll see you on Friday.
Nice, sir.
All right. Good night. Good
Good
night,
night,
sir.
sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
Mr. Daniel,
Yes,
my boss them will agree to na good
I'm
evening.
with
Sorry, I joined the class late and I'm kind of confused. Mr. Obed is saying the project has started fully, like that started. So if the UI UX design team sends like what they designed, the template of what they designed. So are we to write the code, or, you know, I'm just kind of confused though. Did he explain something like how to go about it?
yes. I think he made use of that same Figma. He screenshots a part of it, then go to his AI, then upload the picture, then prompt the AI. So I think he dropped a sample of how we can prompt our AI based on the Figma design from the UI UX people. So that was what we did today. So when you get the design, the picture, then you upload it on your AI tools, then prompt, then it's going to draft out the code to achieve that that design, so that if you upload it on your Visual Studio, then it is going to give you exactly what the design is saying. I don't think I'm well understood.
Okay, no, I understand. Okay, I grab now. So for each slide or page the UI UX designers make, we just take a screenshot of that, use our AI tools to prompt out the code, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. No, thank you. I'm cleared now. I was kind of confused.
You're welcome, sir.
All right. Go on, senior man then. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Yeah, good night, sir.